guys, Kenneth will show something. As you can see, those two Rubik's cube are well scrambled.
Yes.
And then he gonna solve it as fast as he can. I don't know, maybe a second, a minute. Let's see.
Alright.
Let's find out. All right.
Get into inspection.
Mm-hmm.
I already did this to time before the minute, and I got a minute 20 and 50 seconds. So I'm gonna try to break both of those.
All right.
And that's the second week of the Alright, inspection.
You scrambled already, right? And then you inspecting it. Inspecting it. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. There we go.
Yep. I dressed it up.
Almost. All right. Show the two sold scrub.
Yeah, that was
Oh
really
my
bad.
God.
I messed this one a lot.
Mm-hmm.
At the
But
last,
you
Yeah.
still make it like 1 minute and 12 seconds.
yeah, so it's so my knee of 2 minutes 150 seconds. Alright, so on the second cube, it was I messed up the last one. I messed up the last other one. So it was something like this. And then I made a mistake on it. And then that costed me the whole thing. Well, no, I didn't solve this first one in 12 seconds. I solved it in like 20 something. But this one, yeah, this was really slow. So, if you enjoyed these type of videos, smash that like button. Can we get to like? Yeah. Can we get to 5 likes, everybody? Yes, that would be amazing. Well, anyways, like, comment, subscribe if you like this video, and hit that like button. Comment down below stuff that you want us to do in the future, and we might do them. And if you like, and yeah, hit that like button again for the third time if you like this type of content. And then hit the bell button after you subscribe. Do all stuff that you can help us. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.